Exposing the secret behind marketing agencies. What if one AI could do it all? Sounds impossible. Stick around. Imagine typing a few keywords, and boom, MarketingBlocks creates your landing pages, writes your emails, whips up your social posts, and even schedules them. Need a promo video? It's got you. Faceless, animated, or even with your AI-cloned voice. Want killer graphics, logos, ads, and business content? Done, done, and done. But wait, there's more. This AI brings 100+ employees to automate tasks like customer support, appointment booking, and sales. It'll even optimize your SEO, create lead magnets, and auto-DM your leads so you never miss a sale. All in any niche, any language, no extra apps, no extra subs, one dashboard. All your marketing. So are you ready to fire up your business and let AI do the heavy lifting? Hit the link below and try MarketingBlocks for free today. The future of marketing is here. Don't blink or you'll miss it.